Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with Jira and thought, I wish I could add my own status to this workflow, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm breaking down, step by step, how to add a custom status in your Jira workflow. Whether you're setting up a new project or refining an existing one, this guide will help you master it like a pro. Let's get right into it. First things first, why add a status? Statuses help you track your team's progress more accurately. Maybe you want to include something like ready for QA or waiting for review. These extra touch points make your workflow clearer and more tailored to your process. Now, let's jump into how to actually add it. Start by opening your Jira project. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click those and select Project Settings. This is where all your project configuration options live. Once you're inside the settings, head to Issue Types. Choose the issue type you want to edit. For example, Task, Bug, or Story. Now, hit Edit Workflow. This will take you straight into Jira's visual workflow editor where all the statuses and transitions are laid out. Here comes the fun part, adding your new status. On the toolbar, click Add Status. Jira will ask you to choose a category, to do, in progress, or done. Pick the one that fits best, then give your status a clear short name, something everyone on your team will instantly understand. When you're ready, click Add, and boom, your new status appears in the workflow diagram, but we're not done yet. You'll need to define transitions. These are the paths connecting one status to another. For example, you might want tasks to move from in progress to your new ready for QA status, and then on to done. Once everything looks good, hit Update Workflow to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a new status in Jira. This small tweak can make a huge difference in your team's clarity and reporting. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover more Jira tips in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.